How to deactivate Snapchat account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm sure to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen. Now select on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen again. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of delete account. So simply tap on delete account option. As you tap on delete account, it will take us to a new page. So where you'll be able to see that you have the options to simply enter your username or email ID. So let's just do this and then tap on next. And here you just have to enter your password and then tap on next, and that's how you can deactivate your Snapchat account. However, if you reactivate using your login credential within 30 days, you'll be able to reactivate your Snapchat account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.